Your check engine light is on for a P0442 code. Can you fix this frustrating evaporative emission system leak yourself without just throwing expensive parts at the problem? Yes, you can almost always diagnose and fix the most common cause of this code at home using simple tools. This code, P0442, means your vehicle's engine control unit has detected a medium-sized leak in the fuel vapor recovery system. This system is designed to be completely sealed to trap gasoline fumes. To check itself, the computer pulls a small vacuum on the entire system, from the engine back to the fuel tank. It then closes a valve and monitors if the vacuum holds steady. A P0442 code tells you the system is losing vacuum through a leak equivalent to a hole about 40 thousandths of an inch wide. For a gig driver, this is a critical issue. An active check engine light means a failed emissions inspection, which can lead to account deactivation until the repair is verified. The good news is, the most frequent cause isn't an expensive charcoal canister. It's usually a problem you can fix for almost nothing. Before spending any money, your first step is a thorough inspection of the gas cap. Unscrew it and look closely at the black rubber O-ring. It should feel soft, pliable, and be completely intact. Use your thumbnail to gently press into it. If the rubber feels hard, brittle, or looks cracked like an old tire, it has failed. This dry rot prevents the O-ring from compressing properly to create an airtight seal. If it looks questionable, your best and cheapest first move is to replace it. But this is critical. You must buy an original equipment manufacturer gas cap from a dealership or trusted source for your vehicle. Inexpensive aftermarket caps are notoriously unreliable and a common reason for this code to return. Spending the extra $10 for the correct factory part is the cheapest insurance against doing this job twice. Now, here is the single most overlooked cause of this code, particularly on any vehicle that's a few years old and has seen its share of weather. With the cap off, carefully inspect the metal rim of the filler neck itself, the surface where the cap's rubber O-ring presses down to make the seal. Run your fingertips slowly around the entire lip. It should feel perfectly smooth. What you are looking for is any roughness, bubbling paint, or tiny pits from micro-rust. Over time, moisture and road salt cause this metal lip to corrode. The problem is that even a brand new original equipment manufacturer gas cap cannot form a perfect seal against a rusty or bumpy surface. This is where the vacuum bleeds out, triggering the code. It's a hidden leak that a do-it-yourself smoke test will almost never reveal, because the escaping plume is too small to see. Fixing this rusty surface is straightforward. You'll need a small piece of fine grit sandpaper, something in the 400 to 600 grit range. You are not trying to grind down the metal. You are just gently polishing the surface. Carefully sand only the top sealing lip of the filler neck until all the rust is gone and you see bare, shiny metal all the way around. Take your time and apply light, even pressure. Once the surface is smooth, wipe it completely clean with a dry microfiber cloth to remove all metal dust. The final step is to apply a microscopic film of dielectric silicone grease directly to the rubber O-ring on your gas cap. Do not put the grease on the metal filler neck. You only need the tiniest amount on the rubber seal, just enough to make it look wet. This fills any microscopic imperfections and allows the rubber to create a perfect airtight seal. After the repair, You have to allow the car's engine control unit to run its internal monitor again. This doesn't happen instantly. The system requires you to complete at least 3 consecutive cold start drive cycles. A cold start means the engine has been off for a minimum of 8 hours, so the engine coolant has cooled to the same temperature as the outside air. After a true cold start, drive the vehicle through a mix of conditions. Some stop-and-go city driving and several minutes of steady cruising at highway speed. Completing this cycle 3 times on 3 different days gives the computer the opportunities it needs to rerun the vacuum test. If your repair has sealed the leak, the check engine light will turn off on its own. The code will remain stored in history, but the light on your dashboard will be gone. Ignoring this P0442 code will absolutely result in a failed emissions test. Before you consider replacing an expensive purge valve, which should make an audible clicking sound when working, or the even more expensive charcoal canister, which can be damaged by topping off the fuel tank, always start with the simplest point of failure. The seal at the gas cap is the system's weak link, and a clean, smooth filler neck is essential for it to do its job. So, before you suspect any other part, check that filler neck for rust.